All right, so if you're like me and you like your lattes, pour your milk into the cup, then you will need to foam it up. So I've been using this thing called Bonson Kitchen Foamer. I don't know if you can see that in here. Stick it in and it foams that up just like you would get at Starbucks or any of the big boys. It's working now, but if you can see here, I don't know what happened. I think some water got in it and it wasn't working for a while. Miraculously, I was able to fix it, but I'm going to test it on something new because we cannot have unreliable coffee foamer things in this world. So I'm gonna order this on Amazon right now. And it just came in, awesome. So let's open this up and we've got Elementi Ultra Milk Frother in a crushed box, but you know, as long as the thing inside isn't crushed, that's all that matters. So let's open this up. Nice little thank you. You're welcome. Happy, not happy? Hopefully we're happy. All right, so let's see what we got. All right, this one, the reason I ordered this one is because it has a nice little stand. And with my old one over there, the Bonson Kitchen, it was always a struggle where to put it. So this is kind of cool. It has a stand with it. So let's open this up. And this is how it would go. Okay, very nice. And it needs batteries. I am gonna steal these batteries from our old Bonson Kitchen since this is going to be obsolete pretty soon. I mean, just look at the build of the two. And this one just looks a lot nicer. And also the ring is bigger as well. I don't know if you can see that. It looks about maybe 25% bigger. So I'll take these batteries out. Let's go. Put it in there. And remember, if you're gonna buy anything on Amazon, especially one of these two things, use my link below. Helps out the channel a lot. Appreciate that. And we're getting this going. That's the wrong cover. Put this on. And where's the button? Oh, this is nice. The other one, I have to hold the button down, but this one, you just press it. And this thing, wow, this thing cranks compared to the other one. Okay, we're gonna test this out. Let's go to the kitchen. All right, so here we are. We got our coffee mug. So I'm gonna pour, I like to fill it up about maybe a third full of the milk. So now we've got our Elementi. I'll take it off its nice little stands here. So we're gonna put it in. And I just like, wow, that thing's way more powerful than the other one. Look at that. All right, look at that. That's really frothed up. So I mean wow, that increased the milk in there almost to 80% of the glass. That's impressive. This thing, and that was so much faster than the other one. So anyway, the next step, I like this Keurig, and this is like the deluxe one. Like the normal Keurig only puts one hole into the coffee cup, but this one puts 5. So I'll find a link and put that below. This is a game changer. It makes the coffee so much smoother and it's just better. Like you're getting the whole shebang as opposed to just like that one little thing. It doesn't get all the beans. This really gets at it. And then also it has like different settings here. Come on over here, I'll show you this. So you can have different people's presets. So I just set it all to like, there's different strengths. So like, you know, favorite one is strength at 1. I always have the temperature at 2. I don't like it too hot. The strength at 2, and then preset 3, the strength all the way up. I'm feeling a little sleepy now, so we're gonna go strength 3. And since it filled up so much, oh, actually it bubbled down a little bit. Check that out. So it frothed up to like 80%. Now it's back down to like maybe 40% of the glass. So we're gonna go 10 ounces. That's my favorite. And we are going to Keurig that up. So it's brewing right now. And when it's done, I'm going to use the Frother again, just to get a good mix with the with the milk and the coffee. And also, one thing I like to add is cinnamon. Another thing you can add, I got this. If you are good with coconut flavor, this is super healthy for you. This is the Superfood Creamer. You know, I don't know all the things, but it's got all 4 MCTs, whatever those are, C6, C8, C10, C12. No artificial flavors, no sugar, no highly refined sugar, no refrigerator needed, and it's plant-based. So it's coconut milk powder, organic coconut sugar, aquamine calcium from marine algae, and organic extra virgin coconut oil. So pretty healthy stuff, pretty natural. So I'll throw a little bit of these in here too, just to show you how it comes out, and then I'll give you my own flavor rating. So check this out. See how it also pours the coffee a lot slower than the normal Keurig. So it gets 5 holes in there to get all the beans, all the flavor, and then it really roasts it slow. So this one you get more full body flavor as well as better, just more smooth flavor. So we're gonna give that a second. All right, so now that it is done brewing, we're gonna add, this is just my own special concoction. I mean, it's good enough as is, but I like adding the cinnamon. It's supposed to be really good for you. If you've ever read a book called The 4-Hour Body, what the what does that mean?
I have no idea.
Okay. So I added the cinnamon. It's supposed to be really healthy for you. If you've read a book called The 4-Hour Body, Tim Ferriss recommends it. And then this Superfood Creamer as well. So just 1 scoop of that, throw that in. So we'll have a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of coconut, so we'll get our a little bit extra flavor. So I'm gonna use this Almonte Frother again. Oh, whoa. Next time do 8 ounces, not 10 ounces. And froth, but don't froth too much. Okay. But the real test is, how does it taste? And another thing I would highly recommend when drinking coffee is getting one of these reusable straws. Reusable, good for the environment. And straw, and I know what you're thinking, like a straw for coffee, that's just weird. Coffee and wine and things like this are just really bad for your teeth, for staining. So I would recommend using a straw to avoid that. So let's see how it tastes. Oh, that's good. That's really good. So full disclosure, I love coconuts. If you don't like coconuts, I would skip that creamer, and obviously cinnamon too if you don't like cinnamon. But for me, I like both those things, and the combination together, there's no added sugar or anything like that, but you don't need to add anything. And when you froth that milk, just the full body flavor it gets, and I'll show you how it looks. That almost looks like, what is it, that abuela, like that Mexican hot chocolate. Almost looks a little bit like that with that texture. So this is super healthy, gives you a little bit of a kick. Definitely remember, if you buy any of these things, link down below. You can just use the link for anything and buy anything you want from that link. Please do that, support the channel. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you on the next one. Hey, you can stop now. Oh, bloopers, bloopers. Well, I mean, that was a blooper right there. There you go. They don't even serve that at Starbucks. Alex Belly is going to be really happy pretty soon. You can see Alec right there.
A little hot.
How is it, man?
Let's see. Out of 10, I'll give it a 9.5.
Ooh.
There you go.
What's the 0.5?
0.5 is the coconut.
You want Bitcoin in there?
Bitcoin, yep. I want it all, man.
After doing this video, there's a big cleanup. So this is your blooper trail right here. I just got to clean everything up. And I will say, I am happy. So I will leave them a positive review. And I recommend you guys do the same. If you appreciate a product that you buy on Amazon, leave them a positive review, because most of those people are like family run, mom and pop shops that were kind of put out of business by Amazon, but then they can start new business selling on Amazon. And it really helps their organic growth and SEO if you leave them positive reviews. And hopefully you can do the same for me. Comment down below, and thank you so very much for watching.